Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your host Meenakshi again, and I'm back in our farm in Guwahati, Sonapur, and today I'll be showing you many more beautiful goats which we have recently brought in our farm. And we also have two pet dogs here. They're two puppies, and one is Candy and the other is Toffee. So first of all I'll be showing you them. So let's have a look. Candy! 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 Toffee! 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 Candy! Candy! So this is Toffee. Toffee. As you can see, this is Toffee. 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 This is Toffee. There he is. Toffee. And this is Candy. Candy. Candy, Candy. This is Candy. 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 Hey, Candy. This is Candy. Both of them are just 2 months old. Candy. Both Candy and Toffee are just 2 months. And from here, let's go and check our new Barbaries. They have just come recently and they all are beautiful. I'll show them. I'll show the other way around. Well, this is a male Barbary. It's beautiful. Barbaries are basically cross of deer and goat. So they have a beautiful dotted coat. As you can see, the coat is really beautiful. It's a beautiful Barbary. It's a male one. And we have other Barbaries inside. I'll show inside. There. These are all Barbaries and they all are for sale. They are all beautiful Barbaries. We got them all recently. Hello there. This looks exactly like a deer. It's beautiful. Hello there. This is another Barbary. This is another one. They're very pretty, isn't it? Hello there. And as you can see, we can climb here and go inside. There are more Barbaries inside. Hello. This is a black and white Barbary. It's a little different. And that's a huge male Burberry. Looks quite different. Hello. It's a huge one. It's a male. It's a very good quality Burberry. This is a female. This is female. And this is again female. Well, I love being in the farm as they're very cute, as you can see. Spending time with them. Hello. 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 It's a very cute one. It's black and white. Hello. Hello. I just love being with the goats. I mean, with the animals. I am an animal lover. So I really love spending time with these animals. Hello. They all know me now because most of the time I'm here in the farm spending time with them. So they all have become like friends. Hello. Well, in my last video I said that we are also getting a sheep. So there, the sheep behind me, as you can see, this one, it's very cute. It's a white one. Hello. It's running away. There he's hiding. Hello. Hello. You can have a closer look at the sheep. Hello. There, this is the sheep. He's moving around. There he is. It's beautiful. Hello. It's running away. It's hiding there. It's scared probably. It is not filming it anymore. We have two baby Burberrys also. It took birth today. As you can see, Bhavenda, he is trying to feed the babies. This is Bhavenda. He takes care of our baby goats and everybody else. And this is a baby Burberry. It's born just today. And this is the mother. And this is the baby drinking milk. And this is the other baby Burberry. This is the other baby Burberry. Actually, there are two babies. This is one. And there it is, the other one. This one is the other one. Both the babies are very healthy. And Govinda is trying to feed them. They are drinking milk.
Sabida hai. Ata disturb. Hey ro. Ha.
Well, now I am in the with the Sirohi goats, and this is Loki, the baby goat which took birth just a month ago, and she is really grown very nice, tall and healthy. Loki, there she is. She is just 1 month old. Loki. Loki. This one. He is very naughty. Loki. Loki. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And since now we have two puppies as well in our farm, one is Candy and one is Toffee, they really play around and we really have a great time in the farm with all the animals around. I'm sure you guys enjoyed watching this video as well. Look at her. She's trying to see what I'm doing here. So keep watching my video, guys, and all the viewers who are in and around Guwahati, you all are most welcome to come and visit our farm to spend some good time with these animals. You guys are all welcome here. I'm sure you all will have fun as much as I do in the farm. And thank you so much for watching the video and have a great day, everyone. Bye bye. See you all soon.